welcome back, Davidson All Natural Gym. We're gonna take down those 3 right there. They're not huge. They're like 6 inches. So don't get all excited. This one's gonna drop. It doesn't really matter where these drop. They're so little, the mini will definitely lift them out. But they're gonna all 3 go in the creek. That one, if it wasn't so windy, see, there's a perfect example. That one, maybe you can see it on that camera. This one right here, if it wasn't so windy, that one would drop right straight across the creek that way. And the bottom of it would fall right in the creek, and I wouldn't be able to get it out with the mini. I'd have to hook a chain on it and pull it out, and anyway. But today with that wind, we're not gonna double notch it like we just did that one. We're just gonna trust the wind. Yep. Sounds good. All right, so there's my out. There's a tree that would have stopped me from getting out. There's a very small humboldt. She's hung up in this next tree. Oh, she's hung up in that tree. That ain't good. That means this one ain't gonna be able to go that way. It's gonna come out this way and probably hit me. But here we go. There's a pretty decent sized humboldt, only about halfway. See if we can just hit this and get out of the way, and maybe it'll knock down that other tree, or maybe it'll roll right back on me, I don't know. Like I said, it should go that way, but it's not going to, hopefully. Oh, now they're both hung up. That's nice. Now they're all 3 hung up. Dang it. That's all right though. Oh, that one's gonna twist off there anyway. The mini will lift all 3 of those out of there, no problem. Nice. I didn't drop them in the ditch. What the heck? Whew. Butt shot with the yoga pants, huh? Dang it. Dang it. I can feel you looking at my butt. I'm just saying. So that right there is what I've been doing for 2 months. Not on this ditch, 1 ditch, 2 months, no. Backfield, woods, been clearing land for the farm. So no YouTube videos. So that's why I gave you that, you know, nice butt shot, because I know you haven't seen me in a while. All right, there's your 6-inch tree. You notch that? Probably actually don't need to, because the wind's blowing so hard. I always notch every tree. I don't care if it's 6 inches or what. Right in the ditch. I really hope that wind is not just like ruining all this video. But none of them are really in the ditch blocking the water, which is what I wanted. And none of them are laying in the bottom of the ditch. Did not want that. And none of them are laying across the ditch, and none of them are laying in the field. So far, so good. But, well, except for those two. But we've only made it, you know, freaking 50 yards where those two are going. Look at them. Who knows? We're going that way. But there's a traditional off that little one, just because it was convenient. And there's a Humboldt off that one, just because it was convenient. So when I'm down there standing in the ditch, it's easier to bring them up like that. And I actually want the stumps. I don't want the stumps cut off the ground here. I want to be able to see them so that I can see if anything's growing out of it, so I can come back and kill that later. So this is the one of the exceptions to my traditional notch rules. The Humboldt works in this situation because I'm leaving the stump. So a lot of these are Humboldt, and it's easier because you're standing on a ditch bank. You know, you're standing on the side of a hill, makes it a lot easier too to do a Humboldt. Okay, these two are going. It's really one, but we're gonna have to treat it as two. That first one is gonna lay down nicely right alongside the ditch, maybe roll right a little bit into the ditch. This one, you're gonna wanna go out in that field more, and I'm gonna try to pull it up there. Try to pull it up there. It's gonna wanna go out this way. Thumbs up. All right, while you're at it, hit that thumbs up. It's got some nice poison ivy hanging off that side. It's got a dead limb off that side. It's got a big dead limb there. So there's plenty of things to be thankful for when we're done with this video. Let's see where it goes. Jeez, it's a nasty little thing. Unfortunately, my out is across that pole there. So I shouldn't need too much of an out with this one. I'm gonna have to actually pull this one out of the ditch a little bit, maybe, if I can. pulling it way out of the ditch, but maybe too far. Chinese elm. Not a good tree for anything sawmilling anyway. Not horrible. I don't think the Mini will lift that one. Looks like somebody living in that one was. But this tree really, if it wasn't windy, no, all things equal, I'd drop this right there in that field. But, and it's leaning more this way actually, so I'd probably drop it right there. It's leaning right back this way. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try and put it right there. I think the wind will take it. I don't know if it'll go that way or not. This is gonna be nasty. That'll probably hit me in the head. Chinese elm, my escape path right across this asparagus. That's nice. Chinese elm doesn't even make good firewood, I don't think, does it? All right. Let's see if we can get this to go. My escape route's probably behind that tree there. That way I don't step on my asparagus patch. This thing don't kill me. Perfect. I don't know which way that one wants to drop. I think I'll be able to pick up the rest of that with the Mini. That one's a little bit out in the field. So it's a little further out in the field than I wanted. But at least it didn't come this way. The field's, oh, right there, probably at the edge of that saw. That's, you can see where he killed the grass. So that'll be out in the field a little bit. Now we gotta take down that tree that's behind these two. So first we gotta go get our other camera. Get our dog out of the mud. What the heck is he eating? Who knows? Maybe himself, herself. Where's my jacket? You see my jacket over there? Found it. Oh, right next to my shovel. Found it. Asparagus. Found it. Oh, did I step on it? Nope, there it is. That little one's probably an inch and a half across. You won't notch yet. That one's probably 2 inches across. You won't notch yet. That one's probably 3 inches across. I won't notch yet. Those two are 6, 8 inches. And they both get notches for sure. Probably be standing on the other side in the creek bed. So this level right here that I'm at right now, oops, can you even see me? If you can see me, this level right here is the old creek bed. I'm 2 feet below that is the water level. Another foot below that is the bottom of the creek now. But all this where I'm standing has got to come out. And I can't get to it with these trees here. I may have to take these little stumps out. I may have to take this one out. It's kind of close to where I'm digging. But all this is just filled in. 37 plus years of soot washing in here. Watch it, Vader. It might go in the bank. They're not really in the creek. They just look like it. Woo, almost got the dog. I don't know how much you can see that changed, but I changed the landscape of the ditch. The dogs are happier now. Just kidding. Man, can you hear that wind? I know this wind's sucking, doing anything for that wind. We're going back to the truck. We're going back to the truck, and I'll do an outro up there because I know you can't hear me in this wind. I'm just gonna have to voice over this whole thing, and I hate voiceovers. Davidson's All Natural Gym, Dang, D-A-N-G, Davidson's All Natural Gym. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you're an old man, you're sleeping in your chair, the bell notification will wake you up out of your chair.